This is in Ratanakir waterfall. Ratanakir, February 2nd, 2015. This is one of two waterfalls. This one is near the city of Banlung, and the local people say this is not a big waterfall, but I think it's still very, very nice. They also say that the water flow right now is not that impressive versus 3 months ago at the end of the rainy season, where it's much more volume. But I'm sure that it's much prettier now than it would be maybe in April or May, so no time to complain. Very, very nice.